Did you know a man can spend his whole life teaching something he never learned himself? His workshop smells of cedar and lacquer. Kites hang from every beam, lean against every wall. Crimson dragons. Paper cranes with wingspans wider than his arms. Geometric suns in gold and indigo. Each one is perfect. Each one has never left the ground. He has made over 400 of them. Not one has touched the sky. People come from distant towns to buy his work. He smiles and says they are not ready. He means himself. Today he climbs the hill behind his house. He holds his finest kite above his head. The wind pulls at it. His fingers tighten. He feels the string go taut and his knuckles go white. He built this thing to fly. He built it to leave him. And he cannot open his hand. This is the quiet trap so many of us live inside. We understand freedom perfectly. We talk about it. We create it. We admire it. And then we hold on. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.